Tired of your Dell laptop feeling like it's running through molasses? I'm going to show you how to breathe new life into it by completely replacing Windows 10 with Chrome OS. First, you'll need a USB drive, at least 8 gigabytes, and a stable internet connection. Keep in mind this process erases everything on your laptop, so back up any important files. Go to the Chrome OS Flex website on any computer and find the button to create a bootable USB drive. You'll need to install the Chromebook Recovery Utility extension from the Chrome Web Store, then use it to download Chrome OS Flex and write it to your USB drive. This may take a few minutes. Once the USB is ready, insert it into your Dell laptop. Now reboot the laptop and immediately start pressing the boot menu key, often F2, F12, or delete to check your Dell's manual. If you are not sure in the boot menu, choose to boot from your USB drive. Chrome OS Flex will boot from the USB. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Chrome OS Flex onto your Dell's hard drive. Be absolutely sure you want to erase everything on your hard drive before proceeding. The installation will take about 20 minutes. Once installed, your Dell will restart and boot into Chrome OS. Complete the setup wizard, and voila! A faster, more secure, and cloud-focused experience. Say goodbye to that sluggish Windows 10 experience.